We want to thank you for taking the time to learn a little about Caliber and what makes our company so unique. We also want to extend our gratitude for our partnership with your organization. We consider it a privilege to serve your customers in their time of need, and it is not a responsibility that we take lightly. Before we take a virtual tour of one of our locations and review the steps that impact our mutual customers' experience, let's take a moment to talk about who Caliber is and some of the benefits of working with us. To begin, Caliber is a purpose-driven company. Our purpose is to restore the rhythm of your life, which is why we are in business. Our purpose applies to not only our customers, but our teammates, our business partners, and our communities as well. We understand that when a customer has an accident, it is typically a very traumatic event. Most households only experience an accident approximately every 7 years, leaving those involved with some apprehension and often confusion around how the claims and repair process works. From the time a customer walks into a Caliber Center to the delivery of their repaired vehicle, our teammates focus on showing empathy and care throughout the entire process. Caliber takes pride in providing a clean, well-maintained, and safe environment for our customers and teammates. We also ensure that every center has the most up-to-date equipment and materials to repair today's technologically advanced vehicles. Caliber has a national footprint with more than 1,600 locations in 41 states ready to meet your customers' needs. We also have more OEM certified centers than any other collision repair provider, so we can meet the needs of just about any vehicle in any market. You may not know that Caliber has multiple lines of business, so we can continue to become the most trusted automotive service provider in every market we serve. We have Caliber Collision, Caliber Auto Glass, Caliber Auto Care, and ProTech Automotive, which complement each other with services like vehicle scanning and calibration, glass, and mechanical offerings. As a leader in the industry, it's our responsibility to build additional capacity for our strategic partners. That's why we continue to grow with more than 100 new locations each year and invest in our Technician Apprentice program with more than 2,200 body apprentices and graduates currently involved in the program. Now let's review how Caliber works to restore the rhythm of our customers' lives at a center, starting with an assignment from your company. When we receive an assignment, our Customer Success Center immediately reaches out to offer our customers multiple scheduling options based on their convenience. If needed, we work with Enterprise Rent-A-Car to ensure they have a vehicle ready for the customer when they drop off their vehicle for repairs. When the customer arrives at Caliber, they are immediately greeted and welcomed to Caliber in a clean, customer-centric lobby. Knowing that this is a very traumatic experience for them, we always show empathy by asking them if everyone is okay, and by letting them know that we are here to help them through the entire process. Our service advisor reviews the vehicle with the customer to confirm damage from the claim and document prior damage. The customer is then placed in a rental vehicle if needed to get back to their routine as we get started on their vehicle. Because most vehicles have electronic codes that can alert issues and opportunities, we perform a pre-scan. We can then start the process of diagnosing what needs to be recalibrated if the vehicle is equipped with Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, or ADAS. Some of those features include collision avoidance, lane departure warnings, adaptive cruise control, and auto braking. Next, the vehicle is pulled around and disassembled to get the full scope of the damage. A thorough estimate is written based on insurance guidelines and OE requirements, and then parts are ordered. The estimate and estimated completion date are communicated to the customer to ensure they understand what will be done to their vehicle and when to expect it to be completed. Our highly trained collision technicians work with our OE partners to ensure that the vehicle is returned to pre-loss condition using the latest tools and technologies. From structural to non-structural damages, our I-CAR and OE trained technicians are prepared to bring the customer's vehicle back to pre-loss condition. After the bodywork is completed, the vehicle is then moved to our paint and refinish department. With our state-of-the-art paint prep and paint booths, we focus on providing a quality paint job and color match. Once the painting process is complete, the vehicle is then reassembled and, if needed, moved to our ADAS station for a final recalibration. This will ensure that all safety systems operate correctly when the customer leaves our center. The final step in the repair process is to clean and detail the vehicle and to complete one last check of all the vehicle's computer systems. Our service advisor will review the repairs with the customer at the time of delivery to ensure that they are completely satisfied and that they have been restored to the rhythm of their life. It is important to note that throughout every step of the repair process, we keep our customers informed along the way. While we know that due to the complexity of today's vehicles, unforeseen things can happen along the way, our team is committed to regularly communicating the progress of our customers' repair to keep them fully informed of their vehicle status. We want to close by again thanking you for your partnership and for taking the time to learn more about Caliber and how our entire team is committed to restoring the rhythm of your customers' lives. We look forward to our continued growth together and to serving our mutual customers in their time of need.